Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of Brave. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Brave and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.